Sizwe sikaMthwakazi siyalamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio. Namhla kungoLwesithathu zingama-22 kuNtulikazi ngomnyaka ka-2026. Indaba lizethulelwa nguKhethiwe Chuma. Ake sikhangele kwesihamba phambili namhlanje kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio. Abathatha umhlalaphansi badonsela inhlanganiso ye-NASA enkantolo ngenxa yemali ezingeneliyo. Sokulokuthukuthela ngemva kokungaphathwa kuhle kukaMbethi kusenziwa nguhulumende. Othungamela iMarch and March Jacinta Ngobese Zuma usehlanganyele kumkhankaso wombhikisho wamhla zingama-31 lapho ethi kakukhululwe uMbethi. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Kulequla lalabo asebathatha umhlalaphansi asebedonsele inhlanganiso ye-National Social Security Authority NASA enkantolo ngenxa yemali abayiphiwayo encane. Laba sebathatha umhlalaphansi bathi leyo mali kumele ikhangelisiswe njalo ikhutshulwe. Iqula leli lithunganyelwa nguGideon Shoko. Bathi bafuna inkantolo iphoqele inhlanganiso ye-NASA ukuze ikhuphule imali yabo iye phezulu. Ake sizweni umnumzana uShoko ekhuluma.
Indaba yelapha ihamba kanje. Indaba yeNASA ithi yona, you see, ama-pensioners awe-NASA, that's about 105, although in NASA, as you know, they have got many pensioners, but they're scattered all over. Indawo zonke bakhona, and it's very difficult to bring them together, but abanye bakhumbula ukuthi khona okungcono ukuthi bahambe ecourt. Sebehambile ecourt, sebefake indaba yabo ecourt. Indaba yabo ecourt yokuthi yona imali abayinikwa yiNASA i-55 le 308 zig incane. Nxa sikhangela imali esasithola 2018 before i-current valuation yayidlula lapho. So kathesi bakhumbula ukuthi khona baye emacourt bezwe ukuthi khona ku-right yini ukuthi khona abantu ababehola izimali ezijiyeneyo bafakwe kundawonye. Njengokukhuluma kwami mina owidow labo widowa abafelokazi laba felwe ngabafazi baholiswa $20. Thina o-pensioners sithola $55 le 308 zig. Kodwa ngithi mina phela laphana sisemsebenzini sasikhupha 3% esalary yami. So kufanana njani ukuthi umuntu wonke aholiswe imali efaneleyo. So indaba ekhona kuNASA. Siyabaka sinike i-date ukuthi siza kuba indaba le iza kuba kunani. So simelele ukuthi sidle okuvela emthethweni ndaba ukuthi basinike i-date.
Sekulokukhala okukhulu okuvela emphakathini ngemva kokungaphathwa kahle kukalolo lwelamalungelo abantu ubheka impilo Mbethi okwenziwa nguhulumende. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuba kule mpikisha evelayo itshengisa ilenyawo ezivuvukileyo njalo zigaxwe ngamaketani esiyavela enkantolo izolo. Owebandla eliphikisayo njalo ethungamela i-National Democratic Working Group uJob Sikhala kunkulumo yakhe ayethule izolo usole kakhulu ukuhlukuluzwa kukaMbethi nguhulumende. uSikhala uthi uMbethi uhlala efakwe amaketani okwamahora angama-24 njalo ukhuthaze izakhamizi ukuba zibange umsindo kakhulu ukuze akhishwe entilongweni. Ake sizweni izicelo ezivela ebantwini ukuba kakhutshwe uMbethi okuvela kuthafatswa Munjanja.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to call for the release of Bekimpilo Mbedzi. He deserves bail. He has the right to bail. And on top of that, the charges that he's facing are frivolous in nature. We have seen these sort of things happen to many other leaders where they're just clandestinely released without any crime committed whatsoever. And this is what Bheki Mpilo Mbedzi is going through. Bheki Mpilo Mbedzi is the chairperson of the National Democratic Working Group, and he's a colleague of mine. We work together in the National Democratic Working Group. And he's really done a job over there in his province in Matabeleland South, working with the residents there, standing for the rights of the residents, such as the video that we saw advocating for kids to remain in school, and also, of course, the whole 2030 agenda and criticizing the CAB 3, the way it was passed without a referendum. It remains unconstitutional, and there remain many other court challenges around this constitutional, illegal constitutional provision that was passed. So I still continue to advocate for my comrade Bheki Mpilo Mbedzi. He invoked his own right under Section 59. He never called for an unsanctioned meeting. He himself was also demonstrating his disapproval of CAB 3. He freely expressed himself around this issue by himself. He had a placard by himself, with no one else. And it is his constitutional right. So we demand for the release of Bheki Mpilo Mbedzi because these charges are frivolous.
Wele South Africa uJacintha Ngobese Zuma ongomunye wabathungameli beqembu leMarch and March usememezele ukuba kakukhululwe uBheki Mpilo Mbedzi ngesikhathi esithi uMnangagwa akayekele ukuhlukumeza izakhamizi. Uye wamemezela njalo ukuba uMnangagwa kavumele izakhamizi zaseZimbabwe ukuba zibambe impikisho yamhla zingama-31 kuyona le inyanga ngokuthula njalo bengashaywa ngamapholisa.
In Zimbabwe, there is a gentleman currently called Bheki Mpilo Mbedzi. Bheki Mpilo is arrested currently because they are planning to have a march on the 31st of July, which is a march that is to protest against the 2030 suggestion, which they've already put into legislation by the Zimbabwean government. And we stand firm as much to say that Mnangagwa must free Bheki Mpilo Mbedzi. You cannot arrest civilians for protesting. The man didn't do anything. All he did was exercise his constitutional rights, as we do in South Africa. And this government of South Africa of ours, who always claim that they are in solidarity with everyone in Africa and they want Pan-Africanism and all of those nice things, why are they not insisting that Zimbabweans must be allowed to protest in peace? We find ourselves here because Zimbabweans run away from their government, who is ridiculous. And then when they run away, those problems become ours. So we are calling for Mnangagwa to let Bheki Mpilo Mbedzi free and allow the people of Zimbabwe to protest freely on the 31st of July. The 31st of July must happen for the people of Zimbabwe to express themselves freely.
Umbhikisho ozakuba khona mhla zingama-31 kuNtulikazi usuthole usekelo olukhulu oluvela kwinhlanganiso ezitshiyeneyo lamaqula atshiyeneyo okugoqela abanye abengabebandla leZANU-PF abangakuthakazeleliyo ukusayina kukaMnangagwa ukujintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngokwehlandla lesithathu njengomthetho. Kwele South Africa, izizalwane zaseZimbabwe eziphila lapho labo bahlose ukubamba impikisho emahofisini aseZimbabwe ngelanga elifanayo.
Ave masikati akanaka nasi 21 July 2026 ndibaba mudiwa vauya masikati ano atajaira zvamanheru kuya kwandaita masikati ano ndauya kuzopembedza mutambo wakarongwa neruzhinji rwevanhu wavari kuda kuita kuti zvinhu zvivanakire. Mutambo wa 31 July hazvisi zvedizvi ndezvevanhu. Chinhu kana chiri chevanhu chinonetsa kupumbunyura. Zvakafanana nokuti mumusha mukanetsa tikati varume handei kugumbwa, hatinei kuti zvataurwa nani zvekuti kuendwe kugumbwa. Chatine basa nacho ndechekuti tiri kuda here kupedza matambudziko apinda mumusha. anova ndiwari kudzungaidza vana, vamwe vachipenga, vamwe vachigara mudoto, vamwe vachidii. Matambudziko iwayo anopera chete kana tazvifambira taenda kugumbwa. Hazvinei kuti umwe achiri kupenga ari koko, umwe achiri kurapwa ari koko, umwe achiri tinotofamba tononzwa kuti tambopengesa vana chiko mumusha maipa, mumusha mugadzirwe. Saka isusu tiri kuchema chaizvo tikanzwa nyaya dzaana nyoka yemabhunu idzi dzinorwadza nokuti tisu akabereka vacho tinorwadziwa chaizvo kuti zvino mwana ogara mujere. Isu vanhu vakuru chaivo taichema musi uno tiriko kujeri uko taendeswa kujeri kuti hamusi kuda kuchinhu chiya tiri kuda isu hamusi kuda ndo matano katatirwa tobva tanzi kujeri kwacho mpaka. Saka tiri kunyatsoziva murwadziro unoita jeri. Asi zvinganake seiko tikangoramba takangotarira jere nanyoka yemabhunu tisina zvimwe zviri kuitwawo noruzhinji rwevanhu zvinoratidza kuti vari kurwadziwa nezviri kuitwa mubatirwo uri kuitwa vanhu munyika. Nokuti chinonzi kurwadziwa kuonekwa vanhu vachichema, vamwe vachidii, vamwe vachitaura, ndo kurwadziwa chaiko kunoratidza kuti aiwa vanhu vezvino varwadziwa. Saka ukanzwa ruzhinji rwati takwenda kugumbwa, nyangwe inini ndandisingadi ndongoti aiwa ngazviitwe varume handei tinonzwa. Nokuti kuramba kwangu vanobva vati iwo uri kuramba asi ndiwo uri kuroya vana pano kani. Saka nyaya yekugumbwa inongoda kuti vanhu mubatane. Mukabatana semusha munokunda nokuti munonoudzwa ngozi yakonzera kuti musha uparare. Mogadzirisa kana pachida kuripa mombe tori pahedu. Saka isusu musi wa 31 July izuva rekuenda kugumbwa kuti tinonzwa kuti tambokanganisa nyika chiko. Icho chiri kumbokonzera kuti zvinhu zvishate chiko. Chiri kukonzera kuti vana vangosungwa chiko. Chiri kukonzera kuti vana vagare mumatondo vachizouraiwa vachipiswa nematai kumatondo uko chiko. Gumbwa ratiri kuda musi wa 31. Asi anoti inini handifambiri magumbwa nyarara wosara wakagara pamba. Vanoenda kugumbwa voenda vanoya nazvo vanokudza kana kuti iwo unozozviona kuti hatokwadi zvavakafambira zvaita nerunyararo runenge rwaapamusha. Saka nyaya yedu iri kungoti chinhu chevanhu chakaoma kuti uchigame nokuti hachigamiki. Imvura yazarisa murwizi sekutaura kwandaita mazuva ese kuti aiwa nyango mukavhara henyu rwizi asika runongopfachukira bedzi tapfachukira nokuti runodzimara rwapwanya bhiriji rato rwapwanya dhamu racho rinopwanywa nokuti zvinochibva kumusoroko zvine zvakaoma. Saka isu tiri kuti 31 July isusu chedu kungotevera vamwe kana tisiri kuda, kana tiri kuda topinda mune vamwe. Ndo zvinhu zviri zvinenge zviripo, kutevera vamwe kana kupinda mune vamwe. Tobatana nevamwe toita chinhu chimwe chete. Tonzwa zvabva kugumbwa kuti kugumbwa kuri kuda kunobudei nokuti nyaya yegumbwa iyi akaifunga hatinei naye Yesu, akazvitaura hatinei naye nokuti gumbwa harina mukuru. Gumbwa rine vasharukwa vanozoudzwa kuti zvataudzwa nezvakati nezvakati ivo voti tazvinzwa ngatichidai. Imi maenda kugumbwa makabatana, munofanirwa kubatana. Zvino mukatanga kurovana musati maenda kugumbwa kwacho kunozoendeka here? Ngatitange taenda kugumbwa tigozotaurirana tadzoka. Chinonzi gumbwa tinoenda kunonzwa chapedza muri, chiri kukonzera kuti zvinhu zvishate, chiri kukonzera kuti aite manyamamire nerongo, chiri kukonzera kuti musha urege kunaka uyu, chiri kukonzera kuti varoora vaende, chiri kukonzera kuti vana vasaroore, chiri kukonzera kuti mombe dzingofa, chiri kukonzera kuti zvakawanda zvinoenderwa kugumbwa. Ndo zviri muno muZimbabwe. Isusu tiri kuenda kudemonstrate nekuti tiri kuda kuziva kuti zvicherwa zvedu zviri kumbomira sei. Ivo vari kutonga vachari kumbotonga seiko. Ivo vana vedu vari kumboenda here kuchikoro. Kwanza zvipatara zvine mishonga here. Kwanza zvakawanda zvatiri kuda kuendera kugumbwa ra 31 July kuti tinzwisise. Hakuna ari kunorwiswa uko. Tiri kuda kunzwisisa kuti zviri kufamba seiko. Nhaiwe hama, takabatana pamwe chete. Saka ndiri kuti pamasikati ano ngatibatane pamwe chete. Zuva ra 31 harina anopikisa nokuti tese tiri kungotambura, tese taona nhamo, tese tiri kungosungwa, tese tiri kungonyararidzwa, tese tiri kungotukwa, tese tiri kungofa nenzara. Saka hapana anganyararidze vanhu vari kuda kuti dai tata sunungurwawo mudzokere uranda. Saka ndiri kuti pazuva ranhasi varume ngatiremekedzei gumbwa iyi, ngatiendei kugumbwa musi wa 31. Anonzwa kuda kunonzwa zviri kubva kugumbwa anoenda, asingadi anongogara. Asi ngatiregei kunetesana, ngatingoti gumbwa ngariite, vanoenda ngavaende, vanoda kunonzwa ngavanonzwa. Nokuti vamwe vanenge vachiti tiri vanamata handiendi kugumbwa. Sara uri mumba mako, asi tadzoka uchazoona kuti rabatsira gumbwa riya, nerunotobatirawo nevana vako iwe. saka ndiri kuti pazuva ranhasi ngatiitei zvakanaka. 31 July ngatibatanei. Revolution yedu taenda kawanda, tichienda tichinosungwa, tichienda tichisungwa, tichienda tichisungwa, zvichapera chete. Ngatirambei tichingoenda tichisungwa zuva richasvika rekuti tisunungurwe. Saka 31 July varume 31 July makeke oga oga, tivake Zimbabwe itsva. Ngative tiri pamwe chete, ngatibatanei tinunure nyoka yamabhunu nevamwe vakasungwa nana mbedzi avo vakasungwa vanotozuzurudzwa namachena avo vanotosunungurwa. Kana isu paine zvatinenge taita, paine zvinenge zvaitwa, kwaendwa kugumbwa, vosunungurwa vana vedu. Ngatiregerei kutaura zvazuro, ngatitaurei zvemangwana zva31 izvi, tione kuti chinozobudapo ndo chatinozotaurawo serungano. Asi pa31 ngatibudei tose. Ndatenda, ndafara, ndibaba mudiwa. Nhasi masikati vauya kwamuri muchidya zvenyu lanjenyu, tichiti fungai zuva ra31 July 2026 tichadya makeke iwe.
Wayelilunga ledale lephalamende emela iMount Pleasant umhlonitshwa uFatsai Mahere uqhubekela phambili ngokuveza amanga ebandla leZANU-PF mayelana lentuthuko ngemva kokuba eveze amanga kahulumende webandla leZANU-PF lapho abulala khona inkampani eyayihamba kuhle kwezokuthutha ngomoya i-Air Zimbabwe. uMahere uye wathatha uhulumende wamnikeza umlando wokuba aveze ukuba singaphi isitimela leso sikanokusho abasithembisa umphakathi kumnyaka ophelileyo. Ngaphandle kokubulala uloliwe kanye lezokuthutha ngomoya, ibandla leZANU-PF njalo selabulala ezokuthutha ngomgwaqo ngokukhangelela phansi inkampani enkulu yeZOPCO. Ilunga lenhlanganiso ye-Constitution Defenders Forum uPaul Kokore uze waphiwa isibambiso ngumantshi wembare izolo uDinashe Ndokera ngemva kokuba ehlale insuku ezingama-28 evalelwe enkantolo njalo icala lakhe lingatshutshiswa. uKokore obemelwa ngamagqwetha enhlanganiso yeZimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights uphiwe isibambiso semali engangekhulu emalini yeMelika, kanti njalo uphoqelelwe ukuba ahlale emzini wakhe kukheli alinikezileyo njengeminye imbandela yesibambiso sakhe. Usaziwayo kwezokuthengiselana uMnyaradzi Masiyiwa uthi uhulumende kumele ame ukusebenzisa inkantolo ukuze aphindisele ngezepolitiki. Ake simzweni ekhuluma.
We acknowledge that the regime in Harare has finally granted bail to Paul Gorekore, who is a Constitution Defenders Forum member. Paul Gorekore had to spend 4 weeks in pre-trial detention. We urge the government of the day to stop using the judiciary system to settle simple political scores. We see that Paul Gorekore is a human rights defender. Paul Gorekore is against the mutilation of the People's Constitution. He is against a 2030 agenda, an agenda which seeks to illegally extend the authorities' power without getting a mandate from the people of Zimbabwe. We see that as being in order and in line with Zimbabweans thinking. We always encourage that matters of constitution must never be biased, must be never be looked into through the specs of political or parties jackets. As workers of Zimbabwe, when the constitution is being mutilated, we know exactly that it is going to affect our rights to bargain. It is going to affect our rights to choose, our rights to select leadership in position. And these leaders ultimately have got powers to influence our conditions of service. So we are closely following and monitoring, and we are. That's why you find workers campaigning against the 2030 agenda. That's why you see workers in Zimbabwe. Every worker is worried. Every worker is mobilizing the next worker, and vendors also are involved because they know that it is a matter of fact that mutilation of the constitution directly affects the workers' rights.
Umgcinincebo wenhlanganiso yeZimbabwe National Students Union izinasu uMalvin Saint Madanda kanye lomunye umthungameli wezifundi uLindo Nzanga baye bavela njalo enkantolo namhlanje kumantshi waseChinoyi lapho abatholakale bengelacala ngendlela yokungaziphathi kuhle ngesikhathi bephikisa ukutshintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngokwehlandla lesithathu. Ake sizwe okuningi kuvela kuMdanda ngemva kwenkantolo.
Myself and the other two comrades, we appeared before the Chinhoyi Magistrate Court today early in the morning, and we have been cleared of all the charges of disorderly conduct. Therefore, we maintain our position that we are innocent from the onset, and we welcome this outcome and forge ahead with an unwavering commitment to the struggle. We will never stop working and advocating for the respect of human rights across Zimbabwe.
Isizalwane saseZimbabwe esiphila siseBritain njalo usolelwa ngokubulala undodana Mkhanyisi Chuma uselahle isicelo sakhe sesibambiso enkantolo yaseJohannesburg. uChuma waboshwa kwele-South Africa ngemva kokubaleka e-United Kingdom lapho ayesolelwa khona ukubulala unkosikazi wakhe uNothando Khumalo kanye lamadodakazi akhe athi uNatali kanye loNala emzini wabo waseBedford. Ulahle isicelo sakhe sesibambiso ngemva kokuba amapholisa ase-United Kingdom bethumele iphepha lokuboshwa kwakhe. Wetheswa njalo amanye amacala okutholakala elesikhali esingekho emthethweni lesi esatholakala ngesikhathi eboshwa. Leli cala lidluliselwe phambili kunyanga ezayo mhla zingama-27 ukuvumela uhulumende ukuba asebenzise amaphepha akhe okubuyiselwa. Umculi uHolly Ten uboshiwe izolo ngamapholisa esetheswa amacala okudlwengula intombazana eleminyaka engama-40 eyaseHatfield kwele-Harare. Namhlanje ekuseni uHolly Ten ogama lakhe linguMokhudzei Chidzama uye wavela enkantolo kamantshi waseHarare lapho aphiwe khona isibambiso sama-500 edoleni leMelika. Uphiwe isibambiso ngemva kokuba abashushisi bethe badinga isikhathi sokuba baphenyisise ngeminyaka yokuzalwa kaMamangala lokuze bathole eminye imininingwana. Ugatsha lwamapholisa lwe-Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP sebethule inkulumo lapho bexwayisa izakhamizi ukuba zenqabe ukuba zihambe zithwele amabhokisi abomufi edolobheni kanye lendawo zokuthengisela. Amapholisa athi ngaphandle kokuvimba indlela lesi senzo sephula umthetho lo ovikela abangasekho emhlabeni. Ngesikhangele kwezemidlalo emidlalweni yeKhasilaka Premier Soccer League edlalwe izolo iHerentals iye yanqoba iManica Diamonds 1-0 bese kusithi kwezekhilikithi iqembu labobaba lekhilikithi liza kudlala umdlalo wabo wokuqala we-T20 oza kuqala kusasa bedlala le-India eHarare Sports Club. Ukuziphetha lezi ndaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio nanze bezihamba phambili. Abathatha umhlalaphansi badonsela inhlanganiso ye-NASA enkantolo ngenxa yemali encane abayiphiwayo. Sokulokuthukuthela ngemva kokungaphathwa kuhle kukaMbedzi lokho kwenziwa nguhulumende. Umthungameli wequla le-March and March uJacinta Ngobese uhlanganyela emkhankasweni wombhikisho wamhla zingama-31 lapho esithi kakukhululwe uMbedzi. Siziphetha lapha lezi ndaba.